I need to take this car out. Well, let's see if this thing starts. I haven't started it in over a week. What's up guys, thanks for watching another video in the GTR today, and today is actually the first time driving it in over a week since the last time I went to Fresno and got that stupid speeding ticket. By the way, if you guys have not watched that video, go watch that video right now. We got a freaking ticket in the GTR, my very first speeding ticket. Freaking sucks, I'm so bummed about it still. I cannot believe that happened. Hopefully we can figure it out later on. But today we're going to LA. We're gonna meet up with the homie Kevin. I think he's bringing his M4 GTS. I've only seen it probably like once or twice, and it was at nighttime, so I'm pretty excited to see it. I told him I want to drive it, so hopefully he'll let me drive it today. We have no plans or like no video ideas, but I think it'll be pretty funny to let him drive the GTR and get his reaction, see what he thinks, and then maybe, possibly, if he lets me, drive the M4 GTS. I've never driven that car. I've only driven his F80 M3 that he had. And then I think we're gonna have a little photo shoot because I have no pictures of the GTR. I have no pictures of any of my cars. So if there's any photographers out there that want to shoot any of my cars, hit me up, DM me, because I need a dope photographer. I can take pictures myself, but I like seeing photos from like another person's eye, if that makes any sense. I don't know. And guys, look, like I said, this is the first time driving it since Fresno when I took it up there. And on the way up, I've noticed that a couple of the wheel weights, the things that keep the wheel balanced, those weights fell off, a couple of them on the front wheels. The clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper is like this thin. And I think it knocked off the wheel weights on the way up to Fresno. So now my steering wheel is shaking really, really bad. If you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can even see it, look. Look how bad it is, guys. So yeah, we're gonna have to stop at a tire shop maybe tomorrow or something and try to get these wheels balanced, because this is not good. Kevin should be here somewhere. I hope he brought the M4. Ah, he did bring it. Alright guys, just met up with the homie Kevin. Now we're trying to find a cool place to like take pictures and also drive the GTS. I think he's gonna let me drive it, and then possibly, like I said, maybe let him drive the GTR. Kevin, I don't know if you can handle this, bro. Oh, shit. Not driving it for over a week, it makes it feel so much faster. Okay guys, so Kevin wants to rev both of our cars. I'll film a little bit, but if you want to see the rest, it's gonna be on Kevin's channel. But you want to compare like exhaust notes. I think it's the M4 GTS stock exhaust versus the Valvetronic GTR exhaust. Two completely different cars. We've done this before in the past, if you guys remember that video. Probably like one of my most watched videos too, where we compared his Lime Rock exhaust versus my E92 exhaust. But yeah, now we got a little upgrade. All right, Kevin.
Ready?
Blow my ears, bro. Wow. What the fuck? Bro, it's so loud. There's no way it's stock like that. Your F80 wasn't that loud? Dude, the F80 was not that loud.
I know.
Dude, that's not stock.
I swear.
Imagine if you did downpipes.
I know. I can't wait.
It'll be way too loud.
I want to see some flames, dude. That's what I want to see. I want this shit to freaking burn my camera off. Okay, wait. Do it with the valves closed, yeah? I think it's closed. It's closed. The E85 smells good. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit. I swear I thought it was gonna burn me a hand off.
Your line wasn't that big.
Like, and that shit was like right there.
No way.
Holy
It switched flames on.
shit.
Bro, it's burning my car, look. You can see like the clear coat's messed
Spilling
up.
off the wrap?
Yeah, G. No, it's messing up the clear coat, look.
The straight cars.
Where are your flames at?
I don't shoot flames.
Okay guys, I think Kevin's gonna let me drive his M4 CS.
GTS.
M4 GTS. Bro, this thing has a roll cage. Look at this. That's crazy, dude. That is all stock. Seat delete, roll cage. Bro, that shit looks so crazy. I want to literally make this in my E92, but this car actually comes with a seat delete. Look at Kevin with his little towel so he doesn't mess up his seats. Bro, it's not even any like handle. You gotta pull it with the strap. What the fuck was that? Bro, this car's singing. Bro, your car is making noises.
What?
My GTR doesn't do that.
Huh? What noise?
That.
That's the door.
Bro, there's a noise.
Oh yeah, it's the water.
No.
Water injection.
There's like a
Dude.
chime.
That's the freaking door thing, the sound.
That's how it sounds?
Yes.
What the fuck is that?
Show them the water in the back.
This shit's so nice.
Dude, I have so many miles already, dude.
What? How many miles?
5,000.
5,000? Bro, I literally put that on one trip going to Hugo's house. What's in here? Nos?
Imagine.
Damn.
So like basically you pop that open and then you can see when the water's getting filled up in there.
Fuck?
And it's only distilled water.
And you put some in there?
Yeah.
What does it do? Make you faster?
Yeah. If I put water, it goes up to 700 horsepower. It's
No
insane,
way.
dude. Yeah.
Such a liar. There's no way. Bro, break it. What would you do?
Sick. That was $1,500.
Ah! $1,500 lip?
Yeah.
Kevin, I better not break it. You like this better than your F80? You like it better or what?
What, am I F80?
Dude, there's no like...
way better.
Okay, guys. About to whip the GTS. Dude, what if I crash?
Bro, don't say that.
What if?
I'll keep your GTR. Hey!
Dude.
Watch out for these dips.
Oh my god, the brakes are so sensitive.
Yes, carbon ceramics, homie.
That track brakes. It sounds good, bro.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like a normal like.
It sounds different.
Yeah, you're good.
Kevin, why are you so scared, bro? I got it.
Okay, Nick, I trust you, bro. What the? Go for it. Damn, G. Crank up, crank up.
Bro, I know what the fuck. I'm scared. I'm gonna go
You're
down.
good, bro. This shit will gap your GTR, bro. You're a fool, bro.
Oh my god.
You like this car, bro?
I want you to tune it so there's like...
I will, I'll tune it,
Bro, you should get a GTR.
Should I sell this for a GTR?
Yeah.
Orange one that they have? That one that you're telling me about? Oh. Oh, 412 tune.
I like it.
Stop.
Oh my god. Dude, that's way funner.
No, it's not way funner.
No, it's actually so sick. That was the first time I ever driven a GTS. And an M4. I've never driven an M4. It's like literally the best F80 you can buy, right?
Yeah.
M4.
It's like the top of the line one.
But it's the basic M4.
Should I keep that plate or
That's messed up, Kevin. What are all the people that actually have regular M4s, bro?
I know, right?
Dude, it's so sick. Comes with the roll cage. Comes with all that Alcantara. The carbon hood, right? Isn't it
I
carbon?
want to see it, look.
Carbon lip. That's all stock. Like, the whole car is literally stock. Wow.
Oh, look, it's an M
I know, that's what Joseph was telling me.
for money. Closing this hood, you gotta close it like this, dude.
Why?
It's so annoying because it's so lightweight, and you gotta close it from like here, and then you just go.
What?
I swear. That's how you close it. I swear.
You better break
That's how
that
you close
shit. There's no way you have to do it that hard, Kevin. I don't know if you can handle this,
Put it
Kevin.
on Godzilla mode, that's where I want to go.
No. All right, guys. Kevin's gonna drive the GTR. Who's driven this car? Only like a handful of people have driven this car, so Kevin's lucky.
What is that?
Like the race mode, I guess. Are you ready, Kevin?
Yeah.
Bro, you're like one of the first people to drive it. With the full bolt-ons, like no one's driven it. Bro, you should have got one. I think after you drive it now, I swear you're gonna want to get one. It sounds
I'm
sick,
scared,
huh?
bro.
You hear it?
Yeah, it sounds
The
so
intake sounds
sick.
crazy.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds so sick.
It sounds crazy, huh? Bro, look at this big ass crack. It's so ugly.
Dude, it sounds so sick.
Damn, my crank hub.
Rod bearings?
I'm I'm kidding.
I want to go in Godzilla mode.
No, this
I want to see what
is
this shit
the
feels
street
like.
tune, street map. Man, look at the GT3, bro.
That shit is nice.
All over me.
I like my GTS more.
Who are you trying to raise?
Nobody. Okay, so I'm gonna just floor it.
Yeah, just floor it, don't shift. Okay. Bro, look how fast you're going. Is it fast?
Yes.
Look, he likes it.
Oh my god, dude.
What, Kevin?
Dude, this car's so sick. I fucked up though.
Want to take off?
all the way?
Slam on it all the way. And then when you want to take off, just push cancel and it's going to fucking boost. It's going to go crazy.
Okay.
So slam on it. Push cancel.
Oh
Okay,
my
okay,
god,
okay.
dude! Oh shit!
I'm holding on, bro.
Oh, that's so sick!
I told you.
That is so sick!
It's like a rolling launch, pretty much. Rolling analog.
Dude, can my car do that?
No. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Dude, low key, that was sick.
It's pretty cool, huh? Bro, it's not that fast though.
It's fast.
I need to make it faster. Guys, I'm already used to it. Can you guys believe that? It's not slow, but I feel like it's not fast either.
To me, it's fast as fuck.
Damn. What is that?
That's smart.
Alright, we're trying to find a place to take some pictures. Maybe these will come out cool. I don't know. Alright guys, we took a couple photos. Now we're about to head to get something to eat. Very chill day and kickback day. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage of Kevin driving my car and me driving his car. I'm not gonna lie, it's super fun. I think his car just needs to be a little bit more faster. But yeah, we're about to go grab something to eat and then probably call it a day. I don't know if there's anything else going on tonight.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see